Breaking news coming in, and the Supreme Court has slammed the Chhattisgarh government for misuse of sedition law. The top court has questioned an F.I.R. against a suspended top cop and granted protection. The apex court has observed, and I quote, when police officers side with ruling party, everything fine, but when other party, which is the opposition, comes to power, the same officer faces charges. A very, very disturbing trend, unquote. Let me go across to my colleague Meenakshi for more. Meenakshi, the Supreme Court clearly, in a way, questioning the Chhattisgarh government's action of slapping a sedition case against the suspended top cop, saying that this almost seems to be part of vendetta politics.
Well, that's right, Adonima. The Honorable Chief Justice of India made the observation which you just referred to in your lead, and the Supreme Court expressing sharp displeasure and also slamming the present Chhattisgarh government for misuse of sedition law. Now, the Supreme Court CJI-led bench was hearing this plea, which was filed by former top cop, ex-IPS officer GP Singh, who's been charged under Section 124A, which is the sedition charge has been invoked against him. And he is a suspended IPS officer from Chhattisgarh who's got released from the Supreme Court today. The Supreme Court has also restrained the state police from arresting him in sedition and disproportionate assets case. And this happened when the suspended cop GP Singh claimed before the Supreme Court that the current chief minister wanted him to frame the previous chief minister, but since Singh denied, the cases were foisted on him. That apart, Anima, the Supreme Court has also observed today in the same case as to how police officers, to be in the good books of the ruling dispensation, misuse power to harass political opponents and later get targeted by the same political opponents when the political opponents come to power. So police officers must also be held accountable for such behavior. That was also one observation Honorable Chief Justice of India made. And but the underlying aspect has been as
Right. So that was my colleague Meenakshi there giving us details of this, the Supreme Court's observations on this particular sedition case, which has been filed by the Chhattisgarh government, questioning the government's move with regard to booking a cop under the sedition law.